There are small machines out there quietly turning plastic waste into serious money. Not massive factories, but compact, affordable setups sitting in garages, backyards, or tiny workshops. Machines that take what everyone throws away and transform it into valuable new products. Today we're revealing 10 small plastic recycling machines that turn trash into cash, but few people know about them. If you've ever looked at the piles of plastic bottles, wrappers, and containers around your city and thought someone should do something about this, well, that someone could be you. In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful small-scale machines anyone can buy to start recycling and reusing plastic profitably. You'll learn what each machine does, how it makes money, and why plastic waste is becoming one of the biggest untapped business opportunities of the decade. These machines don't just clean up the planet. They can literally become your microfactory for sustainable income. So stick around till the end, because number 10 might just be the most creative recycling idea you've ever heard. Number 1. Plastic shredder machine, the foundation of every recycling setup. Every recycling journey starts with this, the plastic shredder. This compact beast chews up plastic bottles, caps, and containers into small flakes. Think of it as turning waste into raw material. Entrepreneurs all over the world buy these shredded flakes to melt into new products, from 3D printing filaments to plastic furniture. Small shredders now cost anywhere from $300 to $1,000, depending on capacity. The best part, once shredded, plastic waste becomes marketable. You can sell flakes by the kilo to local artisans, 3D printing shops, or other recyclers. A few weekends of collecting bottles could turn into your first bags of sellable raw material. That's real money from literal trash. Number 2. Plastic extrusion machine, turning waste into new material. Now that you've got shredded flakes, it's time to melt and reshape them. The plastic extrusion machine does exactly that. It heats and pushes melted plastic through a mold, creating long strands or filaments. Makers often use this to produce 3D printing filament or plastic rods for crafts and construction. With a small desktop extruder costing around $800 to $2,000, people are building small home businesses producing custom filament colors from recycled bottles. Imagine selling eco-friendly 3D filament labeled 100% recycled. You're helping the planet and printing profits. Number 3. Plastic injection molding machine, creating real products. This machine is where things get exciting. The injection molding machine melts plastic and injects it into molds, shaping everyday objects like keychains, tool handles, or phone cases. Small desktop versions can fit on a table and cost under $1,500. People use them to start mini brands selling recycled plastic products online. For example, a team in Kenya uses injection molding to make beautiful, multicolored combs and clips from bottle caps. Each item costs just cents to produce, but sells for dollars. With the right mold design and creativity, you can transform garbage into high-margin items people actually love to buy. Number 4. Plastic compression machine, turning flakes into solid sheets. Next, we have the compression molding machine, also known as a plastic press. This one heats shredded plastic inside a flat mold until it melts into a solid sheet. These sheets can be cut into tiles, coasters, furniture panels, or even skateboards. The designs often look marbled or terrazzo style, giving that modern eco-chic vibe people love. You can start with a small press for around $700 to $1,200 and create products with artistic value. In fact, recycled plastic tiles have become trendy in interior design in cafes. Every sheet you press can be sold for several times the cost of the raw waste. Number 5. Plastic pelletizing machine, turning flakes into industrial raw material. If you prefer B2B income over handmade crafts, the pelletizing machine might be your goldmine. This machine melts shredded plastic and cuts it into uniform pellets. The standard form industries use to make new plastic goods. Local factories often buy these recycled pellets to cut costs and improve their sustainability image. A small pelletizer can cost between $1,000 and $3,000, but once running, it can produce dozens of kilos of pellets per day. Sell them to packaging companies or 3D printing workshops, and you've got a sustainable side hustle with repeat customers. Number 6. Plastic bottle crusher and washer, clean and ready for profit. Not all plastics can go straight into shredders. Some need cleaning and prepping first. That's where the bottle crusher and washer combo comes in. It crushes plastic bottles into smaller pieces while washing away dirt and labels. Think of it as adding professionalism to your operation. Clean, dry flakes sell for higher prices and prevent jams in your machines later. A mini crusher washer unit costs around $600 to $1,200. With clean materials material, you can double your profit margin because buyers always pay more for ready-to-use recycled plastic. Number 7. Plastic granule mixer, coloring and blending for unique products. If you want your recycled products to look stylish and colorful, you'll love this one. The plastic granule mixer mixes recycled pellets or flakes with color pigment, giving you creative control over your product design. For example, one small business in Indonesia uses a mixer to create stunning rainbow-colored kitchen utensils from mixed plastics. The startup cost is low, under $500, and it adds premium appeal to your products. Because in recycling, aesthetics matter. Beautiful recycled products sell faster and command better prices. Number 8. Plastic filament winder. Profiting from the 3D printing boom, the 3D printing market is exploding, and with this next machine, you can supply it sustainably. The filament winder takes extruded plastic filament and winds it neatly onto spools, ready for sale. Paired with your extrusion machine, you can run a complete microfactory from home, shred waste, melt it, extrude it, and sell spooled 3D filament. Eco-conscious makers worldwide are looking for recycled filament sources. You can sell spools for $15 to $25 each, while production cost is only a fraction of that. With a small winder costing under $400, this is a high-profit niche most people haven't even noticed yet. Number 9. Plastic recycling 3D printer, printing products directly from waste. Why sell filament when you can sell the finished product? Meet the recycled plastic 3D printer, a new generation of printers designed to use shredded plastic directly instead of filament. These printers can turn old bottles into phone stands, jewelry, home decor, and more. One creative entrepreneur in the Philippines prints eco-friendly lampshades using melted PET plastic, selling them for $30 each, made from less than $1 worth of waste. With machines now available from $1,000 to $2,500, you can skip the middle steps and go straight from trash to finished art. This is recycling on the frontier, where technology meets creativity and profit. Number 10. Plastic road tile or brick machine, building the future from waste. Finally, we end with one of the most revolutionary small recycling machines, the plastic brick or tile press. This machine mixes melted plastic with sand or other fillers to create strong, durable bricks and tiles. They're waterproof, lightweight, and perfect for walkways, pavements, and outdoor decor. A compact unit can cost around $2,000 to $3,000, but it produces materials that sell fast, especially in regions where construction demand is high. Some small workshops make hundreds of dollars a week producing colorful eco bricks. Governments and NGOs even support such projects because they reduce waste and create jobs. Imagine turning trash collected from your neighborhood into building materials for homes and parks. That's real impact and real income. Bonus tip: combine machines for a full microfactory. Here's the secret most people don't realize. You don't need all 10 machines, but combining just 2 or 3 can turn your operation into a true recycling powerhouse. For example, shredder plus extruder plus filament winder equals 3D filament business. Shredder plus compression press equals tile and furniture panel production. Shredder plus injection molder equals branded recycled product line. Start small, scale up as you grow. The key is consistency, collecting waste, refining your process, and reinvesting in better tools. Right now, people everywhere are throwing away what could be your next business opportunity. These small recycling machines prove that big change starts small, with creativity, persistence, and the courage to begin. The world doesn't just need fewer plastic bottles, it needs more people turning them into something valuable. So which of these machines would you start with? Tell us in the comments below. And if you want more powerful small business ideas and future-proof side hustles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs inspiration today. Because opportunity is everywhere, but only for those ready to take action.